Welcome to my attempt at being, I don't know, a beauty person. So to start with, for your entire process, since I only bringing the things you're going to be using. So palette, eyeliner, gloss, mascara. All we're going to be using here, since that's all you're going to be using. Okay. So you're going to take your brush and this is how I personally do it. You could do it whatever, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to be using peach tea, gal pal, then juice box. So peach, gal, juice box. So starting off with peach, I'm going to go right here. Again, this is a little bit of a process. I'm going to do my eye open. You can pinch the brush to make it a little bit thinner, just to get along here. So you could see it, because if it was right here, you wouldn't see it. And then you're going to fill in this area. You could always go bigger, you can't always go smaller. So do like this. Then take your napkin, wipe off the extra product, and blend this out. What I like doing is taking a little bit of this, going under. And there you go. You get this pretty ombre out. And then, like you do with an artist, when you're doing one eye, you do the other eye directly afterwards. Because when the girls aren't matching, you're gonna be frustrated. You're gonna be like, oh my god, why the hell aren't they matching? And you're gonna get mad. You're gonna, I don't know. You're gonna get pissed off. You can even take your finger just to blend it out even more with something. Or a secondary brush. Again, wipe it off aggressively. Then we're gonna go with gal pal. What I do is I pat it to get as much pigment as I can, and then I close my eyes and I just pat it. Repeat. What's nice about these is they don't have that bad of fall off, and if they do end up getting little pieces on your face, because I think you could see. No, those are just black. Those are just blackheads. It's okay. This product does not have a lot of fall off, which is really nice. Some do. I've learned with their red pigments, there's not as much fall off as there is with their blue ones. Fun fact. Again, between your colors. Gone. Oh. That wasn't as cool as I thought it'd be. And for your last one, we're gonna be doing juice box. So this one. Of course, you're not getting the specific palette. This is just something I'm demonstrating with. And you're gonna get them aggressively just. Go. This is where you can add your own flair. Personally, I like sometimes I'll take the darkest color or I'll take my middle colors. So for here, I'm gonna do Get Cheeky. I'm gonna pinch this, get a little bit of pigment on there. And just to show what I'm doing, I'm pinching it, getting it right here and going right under my lashes. For me, I just kind of feel like it brings it together. And there you go. That's your eyeshadow. After this, you want to do your eyeliner. This is the part you could do with either your card or freehand. I'll do one with the card and one with freehand. Where's the card? This. Got my black. So again, you want to point it upwards. So from this corner of the eye up, and I'm going to go down. Hello, God. See, I took it across from here with my eyes still open. It's gonna look like that. And then I'm going to, it's very slightly, it's, stop it, God. Here we go. I blinked. It's okay. I'm sad. It's okay. Doing makeup when you only have a camera is so hard. There we go. We ignore the okay. I'm a genius. And then freehand. And I'm gonna do it on this side as well because I know it's easier when you could do this. But now I'm gonna do it like this. And hope I could do it right. But how am I approaching this? I don't think the girls are matching. Sort of. There we go. And just to show, this eye is more hooded than this eye, so I have to do very different techniques for this. Even though I do the same for both pretty much. This, oh my god, my eyes flicker so much. This goes like this. Well, this kind of goes in a whole swoop. So this is what it might look like for all of your eyeliner, is have this little like choppy eyeliner thing. Because again, hooded eyes. So now for mascara. Again, I'm gonna close my eye. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Close, shaky, shaky, shaky. Close, shaky, 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 shaky. I put it by the base. I guess I'm gonna now show you what happens if you do this as well. Don't cry. Don't cry, it's not worth it. Don't rage either. This is fixable. What you're gonna do, if you have it, use a little spoolie. A little spoolie to take off as much product as possible. And then you'll take a wet napkin or a baby wipe and just see, and it's like you never had a mental breakdown. Take your shade again. Replace what you wiped off and move on with life. I'm putting it at the base of my eye, so around here. Close, and you shake as you come up. Pro tip, never like point at your eye and be like, oh, look. That's what dumbasses do. Who could ever do that? I wonder. See? And if you want to, I like just doing it really light to color them, and then I spread them apart manually with my fingers. Just so like that little bit of difference that like these are just a little bit darker than these ones, you know? They show up better on camera. Another thing you can do that's purely style and optional is I like taking corner and doing here. There we go. Now the other eye. I'm gonna get really up close for this one. The mascara can smell fear. Don't show fear. Okay. And then self-explanatory is lip gloss. If you mess up lip gloss, I'm disappointed. Fabulous. And I forgot I got you one additional thing. Wait. Blush! This is not the same brand of blush. I'm not even sure if it's the same kind. But I'm gonna show you ways. Smells like crayons. Ways you can apply blush. First way is by your cheekbone and up here. You can use a brush or your finger to blend this stuff out. I prefer using my finger just because I feel like it gives me more of a fleshy feel, if that makes sense. Start off light and then work your way upwards. You might like just a little bit of blush. You might like a lot of blush. So again, it is totally up to you as to how peachy you want to be. You can also apply it on your chin. And on your nose. It's not this red. My skin gets red when you rub it. It will get more light like this. So, yep. And then, another place you can apply it if you want to not accentuate like your cheekbones but you want to accentuate the apples of your cheeks, your face, you want your face to look rounder. I know some people want that. Apply it right here instead. So this gives like your blushing, like, apple look. And then you can also give a sun-kissed vibe by getting up here as well for your nose. Like this. And then 4. I prefer it up here because I feel like it lifts up my face, and I don't personally prefer looking rounder since my face is already kind of round. But if you prefer having like that blushing, bride, appley look, then go ahead and do that. Also, most blushes are actually not, I guess, sort of edible. Most are lip safe. So of course, look at what your look at the back of whatever product it is, whatever blush it is, even for that ColourPop one. I'm not entirely sure. I've never used one of their blushes. But if you get their blush and you want to put color on your lips, you can take that same blush and you can put it on your lips. And it will be able to get that color onto your lips as well if you do like the color. There's your makeup tutorial. This would be your thing. And it only took me, I'm probably going to cut this down a little bit, but it only took me 26 minutes to do. So this is under half an hour makeup that you could just do and then go out the side door. If I didn't mess up, it probably would have been more like 15 minutes. But I messed up and had a few mental breakdowns. So if you're probably going to have the same amount of mental breakdowns. So yeah. I look forward to pictures. You better give me pictures. Okay? Good. I didn't go through agony to do this.